The table below presents the percentage of marks obtained by 3 students XYZ in 4 components of assessment ABCD of a paper whose respective weightages are 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is the ratio of average percentage of Y and Z combined in C and D to that of X in A and B? Okay. So this is a small data interpretation table they have given here, where X, Y, Z are nothing but the students and A, B, C, D are nothing but the components of assessments. Okay. So 78, 85, all the values inside the table column are nothing but the percentage of marks that they have obtained. Okay. So we have to find out the ratio here. Ratio of whom? Ratio of YZ combined in C and D. Okay. Once again. Ratio of YZ combined in C and D. So that is the numerator part, YZ combined in C and D, that is for numerator part. And what is the denominator part? Denominator part is nothing but X in A and B. Okay. So we can individually find out for the numerator, and after that we can finally substitute here in this ratio part for the numerator value and for the denominator value. Okay. So let's solve the average marks obtained by Y in C and D. Okay. So I'm solving for Y in C and D. Okay. So what is the value of Y in C and D? Value of Y in C, if you see, that is nothing but 64 plus value of Y in D. Value of Y in D is nothing but 73. Okay. 64 plus 73 by 2. How much is the value? The value is nothing but 137 divided by 2. So this is for first part of Y in C and D. Okay. Now let's find out the average marks obtained by Z in C and D. Okay. So now average marks obtained by Z in C and D. So Z in C, that is nothing but 81. And then Z in D, that is nothing but 75. So 81 plus 75 by 2. How much is the total? The total value is nothing but 156. 156 by 2. So numerator first part is done and second part is done. Okay. So now average of X and Y combined. Okay. So what is the thing that we have to find out? Sorry. Average of Y and Z combined we have to find out. Okay. Y and Z combined we have to find out here, right? So Y and Z combined in C and D if you are trying to find out. So combined average of Y comma Z in C and D. So that is 137 by 2 is Y in C and D, and 156 by 2 is the value of Z in C and D. Okay. For those values, if you are trying to find out the average, 137 by 2 plus 156 divided by 2 whole divided by 2, because 2 observations are, so sum of observations divided by number of observations. This is nothing but 293 by 4. So numerator value is completely got. What is the numerator value, guys? Numerator value is nothing but 293 by 4. So let's solve for the denominator value so that we can make up for that ratio. Okay. What is the denominator value? Denominator value is nothing but we have to find out the average marks of X in A and B. Okay. So we have to find out X in A and B. What is the value of X in A? Value of X in A is equal to 72 and value of X in B is nothing but 85. Okay. So divided by 2, 78 plus 85 by 2. How much is the value? 163. 163 by 2. Okay. So this is the denominator part. 293 by 4 is the numerator part and denominator part is 163 by 2. So 293 by 4 will be remaining the same. This fraction will be flipped and it will be 2 by 163. So 2 ones and then 2 twos here. So numerator is nothing but 293 and denominator is 163 twos. Okay. So that means how much will be the value, guys? This is nothing but 326. Okay. So 293 divided by 326 is the answer, which is nothing but option B. 293 divided by 326.